Welcome back to the Bartok developer vlog. This is Bartok v0.32 and jump right in. The status bar is kind of hooked up. It's a different color and you can tell that it's marked down here instead of JavaScript as it used to say. I'll give a demo of that later. Same with all this stuff. There's a new graph template. Pretty cool using D3. Check it out. There's a file system service. Basically, the backend server can now serve from a file system directly instead of having to store that in a database. And then the client can also read from basically like the network or from the file system or from a network file system. And that enables a couple cool things. I'll go ahead and jump in and show those a little bit later. I don't have any extra thoughts this time. No extra thoughts. Just going to be straight up demoing Bartok and try to keep this really, really quick. So let me give a demo of the graph template. We have this graph over here. Like I said, this is D3, and pretty much just get this for free. This is what this is in preparation for building out the service map a little bit more. And for those of you who don't remember what the service map is, you click this little triangle looking thing over here, and this is the service map. Not in a really great state right now, but I'm working towards building that out because it seems like crucial to the center point of what Bartok is trying to do and help you manage services. And then let's talk about the file system service. The service that you're looking at right now is not really a file system, but if you go to apps.crosshj.com/Bartok, you will actually see some of that action going on. And I've already got that up, and just so you can verify, apps.crosshj.com/Bartok. And this is what you'll see if you go over there. In truth, though, what you'll see is you'll see this README come up and nothing else. I'll invite you at some point to click on the preview, at which point that'll bring up the markdown preview. I'm going to show this other example of the graph before I move on. Much more developed, and this kind of proved to me that this was the right way to go. Won't go too far into that, but I'm really happy with the way that things are moving around here and what it does for me. So pretty happy with that. So I want to go a little bit deeper into what it means for serving up this as a file system. I'd already checked in some example files. Like I started coming up with this concept of like a welcome service, and that would have all the file examples and show you some examples of what happens whenever you nest your folder. Basically, all these file examples over here can actually be previewed. So we get a SVG previewed over here. I have the React preview from previous examples. Example. All right, you can click check on that. So feel free to go over and investigate, check this out. Some cool stuff over there, and that actually comes over now as part of the file system service. That's pretty much it. Thanks for taking your time to review some of these changes. And if you have any questions or you want to give some input or whatever you want to do, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.